So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like she has some dark roots here leading into a blonde hair color. Oh, wow. Look at this platinum hair color switch up. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the platinum hair color trend, and this shine on her hair is just breathtaking. What a stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some more extreme hair transformations, giving you lots of hair ideas that you can play around with in 2024. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have another hair makeover. Looks like she's getting some bangs with this one. Some hair color. Oh, wow. Now, I actually just released a video talking about the auburn hair color trend. She has that going on here with a hair color change and a bit of a shaggy bob. This is such a cute, trendy hairstyle idea. I am absolutely loving this makeover. Very nice. So next up, that same stylist is back once more with another hair transformation. Looks like she's going shorter with this one. Looks like she's giving the client a pixie. I really like the texture that the stylist is doing here. A lot of movement within this pixie style. Nice layered appearance. Oh, absolutely gorgeous choppy pixie style. I love how this frames out her face with baby bangs in the front. So chic and modern. So next up we have another pixie. I thought that this was such a beautiful look. She's got this gorgeous bright red color here. Beautiful curls put in with the pixie style. Really adding a nice amount of texture. If your hair is on the thinner side, curls will really help add some thickness to your hair. You can do so with some perm rods or some flexi rods, or of course you can use the curling iron to just add that texture, and that is really going to create a more volumized appearance. I absolutely love this color on her, so pretty. Next up, we have someone that's starting off with a bob. Oh, beautiful copper pixie, a bit of a mushroom cut here. Wow, this color looks absolutely beautiful on her, and I love the shape of this pixie. So here we have another makeover from that same stylist. It looks like she is going to be, if I had to guess, I would say a layered look for this one, but we'll see just in a bit what she ends up doing. Layered hairstyles are a huge trend for 2024, and you can see it through the form of the butterfly cut, the shaggy cut, and I do also have a full featured video going into more details about layered hairstyles. So the stylist does a bit of that Bordeaux bang look here, creating a nice amount of layers, and she actually turned the look into a layered shaggy bob. Very chic, loving the results of this makeover. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.